Good morning, students. Welcome back to class. In the previous class, we have learned about sketch, plan, and conventional symbols. In plan, I have told you that it is drawn to scale. Today, first, we will start with the scale and its types. Scale. A scale is the ratio between the distance of 2 points on the map and the actual distance on the Earth's surface. For example, a toy car is 10 cm long and the real car on which it is based is 400 cm long. This means that 1 centimeter of toy car is equal to 40 centimeter of the real car. This information can be stated as the real car is 40 times larger than the toy car. The distance actually we measured on the ground we can show with the help of scale on a paper. Types of scale. There are three types of scale: verbal scale, linear scale, representative fraction. Verbal statement or verbal scale. This is the simplest form of map scale. It states what distance on the map is equal to what distance on the ground. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. According to this scale, if the distance between two places on a map is 1 centimeter, the actual distance between the two places is 10 kilometer. Linear scale. Linear scale is a line that is divided into equal parts to show the relationship between a particular distance on a map and actual distance on the ground. In the example given below, the linear scale shows 5 km. The scale to which it is drawn is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. This means that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. The line is divided into 5 segments and each segment is of 1 centimeter length, which denotes 1 kilometer on the map. Representative fraction. In the representative fraction, the units of measurement of distances are same both on the ground and on the paper. It is always expressed as ratio. RF means representative fraction is equal to distance on the map over distance on the ground. For example, RF is given as 1 over 1 lakh. In this example, the numerator 1 represents the map distance and denominator 1 lakh represents the ground distance. It can be written as 1:1 lakh. In the previous class, we had discussed topographical maps and symbols used for natural and man-made features. River is one such natural feature which we will discuss now. River is a body or channel of water which originates in the mountain and then flows down the slope under the force of gravity. The origin of the river is the place where it is born, known as source of the river. The place where the river meets the sea is called the mouth of the river. Like Ganga source is Gangotri and its course near Bay of Bengal. As you know, the various stages of our life, infant, youth, mature and old stage. The life of river is divided into three stages: the upper course, the middle course, the lower course. The upper course. In the upper course, the river is said to be in its youth stage. In this stage, river has a lot of energy and it flows swiftly. Due to steep slope, it erodes the rock and the soil over which it flows. The rocks are broken up into smaller pieces until finally they are reduced to silt and clay. This material is known as alluvium. V shaped valleys are formed in this stage. The middle course. This is the second stage of river in which river reduces its speed. In this course, it carries a lot of load in the form of boulders or fine silt that it brings while flowing down. Due to the gravity, the river starts swinging in great curves and begin to cut through its banks. This is this curve of river is known as meander. In this stage, river flows on the plains and enriches them with the fertile deposit. Many tributaries join the main river in this stage. In this figure, you can see many streams joining the main river. These streams are called tributaries. The lower course. In this stage, the valley floor has an extremely gentle slope. Its speed becomes extremely slow. Hence, the river is not able to carry the sediments with it. In this course, the river generally deposits and very less erosion and transportation work takes place. The main features made by the river in this stage are distributaries, delta, and estuaries. Features of lower course. Distributary. These are the common features of river deltas. Distributary means rivers or streams that branch off and flow away from the main river. Delta. A delta is an area of low flat land shaped like a triangle where a river splits and spread out into the several branches before entering the sea. For example, the Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. Estuary. Some rivers form funnel shaped opening at the mouth of a river. These are known as estuary. Patterns of drainage. A drainage patterns means patterns formed by rivers and their tributaries according to the types of rocks and geological structure of the land. Trellis pattern. The tributary meets the main river forming a right angle as the arrangement of hard and soft rock is at right angle to the surface. Dendritic patterns. In this pattern, the tributary meets the main river from all the directions like the branches of a tree. Radial pattern. In this pattern of drainage, the stream radiate from a central point in all direction like the spoke of a wheel. Disappearing drainage. In certain region, the tributary disappear into soil and are unable to reach the main river due to the soil being very porous and absorbing water, or the rate of evaporation is very high, so that water in the stream evaporates before it can join the river. It is common in the limestone region in the desert. So today we learned about scale, river and its course with various drainage pattern. Thank you and have a nice day.